Today we are going to see about chapter 10 Python class and objects. Python is a object oriented programming differentiations of class and objects. To understand the fundamental concepts of object oriented programming like class and objects, constructor and destructor, gain the knowledge of creating class and objects. Introductions: objects and class, methods and instant variables. Object is some special kind of things. It can be used to specifying a programming status, behaviors, color, size and bouncings. It is some qualities aspects of creating some objects. Ball is an object. It is quality from bouncing. It is a basic qualities. Throw the ball, it can bouncing, and depending upon the color, size, big size is a football, small size is a cricket ball, and very small size is a tennis ball. So depending upon the size, the ball should be various, but the quality must be same. All objects are balls. Methods means this kind of class is separated by some special categories: football, volleyball, cricket ball, tennis ball. It is called as a methods and attributes. That is called as a instant variables or instant variants. It is divided into some other alphabetical letters variable that can be creating some special effects to the methods and objects that can be created by the some special variables or created by the some special instance given by the programming. It is some small example. Depending upon the dog means basically the dog's character should be depending upon the skin color, eye color, basic behavior. So animals is a basic things that it can be mammals, reptiles, amphibians, size, skin color, behavior, food and qualities. It can be separated by depending upon the qualities of the animal. It is called as a objects, group of objects. Then as a object and class will be separated from special categories. So human beings are separated by the student, babies and other men and women. This separated by the object formation. Class means those taking the particular student, it is collected by some name, roll number, set name and roll number. It is called as a class student or class structures. In Python programming, objects can be classified as a major categories: class and objects. The separations of derived by class and objects can be created in this car. Car means different types of cars are available. One is Toyota, Honda car, and the car job means start, stop. It is a major operations. But the categories means there is a different types of categories in their car section. One is Toyota car, Honda car, then other one is a Maruti car. It is a classification depending upon the some special categories is called as a class, but objects must be same. Depending upon the car means objects must be same, but the categorization different categories must be different upon the class and objects. Python is an object oriented programming language. Class and objects are the keys or the key features of object oriented programming languages. Class is the main building blocks of Python. Without building blocks, Python cannot be created or cannot be modified. So class is a main importance to creating and using the Python. It is called as a building blocks of a Python programming. And object is a collections of data from and functions from the various sources. Class is a templates of for the objects. Template from creating some special templates from the object oriented programming. Some different classes will be there. Some small example: x equal to 5, p1 equal to my class, print p1. What is the value of p1 dot x equal to 5 the values. Objects are also called as a instant of a object oriented programmings. In Python, everything is an object oriented programming concept. First, defining class. How can we defining the class? In Python, the class is defined by using the keyword class. Every class can has a unique name followed by the keywords. Syntax class and class name, syntax 1 and statement 1 and statement 2. The syntax should be followed by the statement 1 and statement 2. It is called differentiated by the statement. Statement is a class definition, may be the variable declaration or distinction controlling by the object oriented programming. Variable defined the inside the class. The class declaration by the variable, it can be declared inside the class function. The classes are also called as a class variable. Class variable and methods are together to known as a members of variable or members of function. It is called as a member function. The class member should be accessed through the objects or instance of a class. The class can be defined in the object oriented programming concepts. So how can we creating and some special objects? Once a class is be created, next you should create an object. When the classes should be created and other the class should objects also be created instead of the class. The process of creating an object is called as a object oriented programming. The syntax of objects is object name and class also class name. Class simple or small examples should be written. Accessing the class member. How can we access a class member using the object oriented programming? Object oriented programming means it is converted as a C and C++. So any class members is a class variable for method functions can be accessed by using their object oriented programming with the specific task. The objects and objects name, class member and member's name. It is a small syntax. Example is also written by the class variable x comma y equal to 10 comma 20. The instance of variable value should be x and y. What is the value of x equal to 10? What is the value of y equal to 20? The instant value should be written in a output section. So some class name, sample x comma equal to 10, y equal to 20. The class variables or member variables should be written in the functions of creating some special objects. S is an objects. So the simple class name equal to simple programming, the value of x equal to 10, the value of y equal to 20. The class variable or member variable should be written in their object oriented functions. It is declaration in the simple example as a class name. And x equal to 10 and 20, x comma equal to 10, y equal to 20, plus equal to 30, 20 plus 10 equal to 30, x plus y equal to 30. It is some class valuation should be declared. Class methods. The class methods must have their first argument and name itself. No need to pass the value from this argument when we call the methods. When we call the argumental value, when the programs are compiled, when the program should be compiling, the argumental value should be checked by the segment by segment, word by the word and conditions by the conditions. It can be argumental position value move through goes upon special characters. No need to pass the value in this argument when the call method should be accessed. Even if a methods take no argument, it should be defined within the first argument call itself. If the methods is defined to the accepting only one argumental value in the same content. The self parameter is a reference to the current instance of the class. It is used to accessing the variable that belonging to the class. It does not have to be name itself. It is called as a class member, calling the function or calling the variable, call by value or call by reference. It is called as a call by value or call by reference. The self parameter is reference to the current instance of the class. The class is used to accessing their variable, current variable, what is the value should be written in the programming. Class students, some small example should be written in hello Excel. The small example should be written, the processing value should be M1, M2, M3. What is the value should be M1, M2, M3, 45, 91 and 71. The variable should be written in the values of M1, M2 and M3. The content should be written in a same processing segment. The class variable define the process of self valuation class sum equal to m1 plus m2 plus m3. The value should return as a m1 m2 m3 sum. What is meant by sum? Adding the 3 elements, and average means to add the 3 elements and divided with the number of 3's. Statement 1, m1 equal to 45, m2 equal to 91 and m3 equal to 71. Class variable or member variable, both are same. Class variable or members of variable or both are same category. Here the value should be written as a same values or same. Is equal to a declaration process of defining and some special objects categories. Statement 1, m1, m2 and m3, 45 plus 91 plus 71, 207. It is a total value 207. Find the average means the number of total will be adding to the same subject and divided by 3, 207 divided by 3, value 69.0. It is called as a find the sum and average of the elements. It is a define the processing self n value should be calculated. It is as a class and objects. The differentiation process self the value m and n is there, m number of values in now n number of variables. So x is there input value, integer declaration process, enter the value. Y is the input declaration process, declaring the process elements in a equalizations of every values. The processing by x and y. Constructor and destructors declaring in the Pythons. Constructor is a special type of function that is called automatically whenever the objects to be classes to be created. It is called as a constructors. The constructor is a special type of functions that is called as a automatically function when objects or classes should be generated. Constructor is a special function that is automatically executed when an object of class is created. It is a main point. What is meant by constructor? Constructor is a special function that it should be created automatically when the object of the class is created. In Python program where there is a special function called as a int, integer value, which acts as a constructor. It must be begins and end with a double underscore function, double quotation. It is ends and begins with double quotation. The functional accessing in there ordinary functional values. It is called as a constructing the value and in the constructor. Class vehicle, car is an vehicle. The class should be declared as a car. The car means whatever it may be, Toyota car or Benz car or BMW car or Audi car, whatever it may be, it should be separated by the car. Vehicle. Vehicle means car, bus, train, all should be bicycle. It is called as a vehicle. But the special category class is separated from the vehicle. It is called as a car. The functions is called as a constructor, inits. This functions is called as a constructor. Initializer. It is automatically called functions. Init. Initializer. Okay. These constructor functions can be defined with or without argument. When we declare the double quotation function should be with or without an argumental areas. What is mean by the argumental areas? When the programs are going to be compiled and the programs are going to compiling, the argumental area should be passed to the parameter list. With or without the parameter list, with or without the argumental area, the program should be compiled. The compilation should be argumental by with or without the methods or constructor functional definitions or using in their methods. Generally formations of a INTI methods constructor functions definition INTI self argumental area in the statement content. It is called as the argumental in the general formation of creating some special argumental area int method functions. Public and private data members. Public and private and data members. It is the main thing concepts of using the class. It is the main important features to creating the class and objects. The variable which are defined inside the class is a public by default. This variable can be accessed anywhere in the programming using the dot operator. Small dot operator is also giving the big meaning to creating and big sufficiency of Python programming. The variable prefix with double underscore becoming the private in the class members. N1 public, N2 is a private accessing through the class members. It is called as a public privating using their class members in the class section. It is mainly using in their class and objects using the Python programming. Thank you.